A closed eye can be drawn in two different ways. The first is upward, to indicate happiness or smiling. And the second is downward, to indicate sleeping or thinking. So for the upward one, we draw an upward curve that has its peak in about the middle. And we increase its thickness while leaving the ends thin. This is a girl's eye, by the way, so I'm adding those lines below for the eyelashes. I don't know why, but it's just my favorite way of doing it. Now we add some extra eyelashes. And finally we draw this line above for the closed upper eyelid. A guy's closed eye is basically the same, just with short or no eyelashes at all. So here I'll just draw some short eyelashes. Now for the downward one, we draw a curve with a peak in the middle facing the downside. We increase its thickness and add some eyelashes. Again, this is a girl's eye. And lastly, the line above for the closed eyelid. Again, the guy's version is identical, but with short or no eyelashes at all. So I added some short ones here.